candles in the freezer for about 15-20 minutes, maybe a little longer. Then place the tea section into a pot of water that's been brought just barely to a boil. Let it sit in there for about 30 seconds, give or take. These will shrink just a bit in the freezer. This will expand just a bit in the hot water. Careful not to burn yourself. And these will then fit quite nicely. Try to center the shaft a little bit. Put your thumb over and spin it into place. Dip this in just a little bit for a couple seconds. Let it expand. Center the shaft. Slide it in. Oh, that one's still a little bit snug. So I'll dip this in the hot water, let it sit for a little longer. Put this back in the freezer. I'll just let that sit for another minute and repeat. Give it another quick try. And be careful not to burn yourself with the hot water. Make sure it's all dumped out of there. And slit fit. Thumb over the top to hold the thread I brought in while I twist. As soon as you get a couple turns, you'll notice if you tug out, that means it's grabbed. Twist it into place and done.